Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just received this package from the Flipkart. What I have ordered this Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo with 13.4 driver, which is a very big driver for high quality bass and thumping sound effect. And this comes with 32 hours playback, this earbuds which is a neckband. And the one advantage and the reason for me buying this earpods is it has dual connection Bluetooth, which is rare. Means at the same time I can connect these earbuds to the laptop or to the mobile at the same time, or two mobiles devices at the same time, so that we can switch between devices very quickly. Yeah, let us first quickly take this out and see how this is the video quality. And the color I preferred is the green color, which I am showing you. Okay, just let me take this out first. And the package is very lightweight actually, because it's just earbuds, neckbands you can say. And this got decent rating on Flipkart, and this is the package what we have. Is there anything else inside this? No, we can keep this aside. And on the box it is stating that Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo premium quality buds. And if we flip this to the other side, Realme, and are there any information here on the box? See, they are highlighting the key highlight points: 13.4 dynamic bass driver, which is decently good enough. 13.4 means pretty decently enough. 32 battery hours. This is average, you can say, 32 hours. And dual connection, which is a very good benefit. And the latest version Bluetooth is 5.4, is pretty good. And 45 millisecond ultra low latency. And anything which is under 100 is preferred or considered as good latency, and 45 is excellent. IP55, okay, somewhat good. Let us take this out and see how the build quality is, and also try to connect to this laptop and this mobile at the same time, and I'll show you how the dual connection is working for this earbuds. And I bought this for 999 in the sale. I got this for 999, and on the Flipkart it got 4.2 rating. Yeah. And please do comment if you want a review video of these buds after using for like, there is nothing in the box, after using these buds for like 2 to 3 weeks, so that I can post a review video. But please do ask in the comments if you want some. And these are the extension ear buds, you can say, the tips, the earbud tips. And this is for the warranty user guide maybe. Yeah. And coming to the warranty, yeah, here in the box it is mentioned like the warranty is 1 year. Yeah, the warranty details were given at the end of this user guide, but in the online it is mentioned like 1 year domestic warranty. Yeah, let me take this. See here, there is a Realme tag here for the neckbands, you can say. So I'll be testing the initial build quality and the color. Actually there are 3 colors available. See on the Flipkart, actually there are 3 colors available. This is purely black one, and the green one which I just unboxed, and there is another color. Coming to the build quality and the initial impressions, uh, yeah, when I check the box contents, as it is mentioned here, in the contents there is no charging cable provided. You need to make sure that it is the C type charging port. So lot of mobiles, most of the mobiles nowadays are coming with the C type, so you can plug in your mobile adapter cable. Okay, and I checked all over the package here, there is no charging cable provided separately. We need to connect with your existing mobile adapter. Yeah, coming to the details over here, there is Realme branding here. Yeah. See here, this is the Realme branding here, and on the other side, here we have some controls. Let us see what are the controls. Actually, there are three controls. This is the volume increasing, volume up, volume down, and this is the power. Let remember, uh, this earbud should be separated first. Then only this gets started. Okay, I just separated this. So as soon as I separate this, if you turn on Bluetooth on your devices, there will be a pop-up whether it will ask for the confirmation to connect. So let us turn on the Bluetooth on this device first. Turn on the Bluetooth. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your device. Yeah, just turn on the Bluetooth. Yeah, the Bluetooth has been turned on, and this is also turned on. This one. And as soon as I didn't do anything, just turn on the Bluetooth on the mobile device, it directly asks me to connect. So what I'll do is I'll just click on connect here. So yeah, it's trying to connect with the brand new Realme earbuds Neo 3, wireless Neo 3, which is a neckband, you can say. Yeah. Yeah, see here, the device got connected, but initially for the first time when it is pairing, it took like 30 seconds, 20 seconds to 30 seconds. But next time when you want to connect, it will connect in a flash. Now I'll try to connect to the laptop so that I can show you the dual connection. At the same time, this will be connected to the mobile, this will be connected to the laptop. Okay, I'll be clicking on the done here, and I'll show you the status here. Okay, Siva's Realme earbuds in use. Okay, 80% there is charging, and let me turn on the Bluetooth on my laptop so that I still kept this in the uh, turn on only. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be just keeping this earbud separated here, and on the laptop when I turn on the Bluetooth, and what I'll do is I'll be just clicking on this add Bluetooth, means I'm adding a new device, right? So it will start to check. See, as soon as I did that, yeah, here a small thing, even though I turn on the Bluetooth here, first initially I need to turn off the Bluetooth here. So initially I just close the connection between this earbuds and this mobile, then there here the name of this Realme buds appeared here, and I connected to that laptop also. So what I'll do is I'll be just taking this out here, and I'll be turning on the Bluetooth over here also. Turn on the Bluetooth on the mobile too, and let us check at the same time if these buds can get connected to both devices at the same time. See here you can see the connected tag with this one, and here now it is trying to connect. Yes, it is got connected and it is got paired, means immediately you can switch back between the laptop and this mobile. This is called the dual connection, but now the source is mobile only. Even if you play a music, the sound source will be coming off from this buds, not from the laptop. Okay, from the phone the sound source will be there, and if you want to immediately pair to this one, immediately it gets paired. Okay, dual connection. And for the quality and everything, I'll just check it for a while, and I'll be uploading a separate video. What I'll do is I'll just quickly play a short video of any type, so that I can check the audio quality, maybe any song or something like that, just a song, so that as these Realme buds are currently connected to this mobile, let me check the audio quality. Let me put on to into my ears. controls, you can just use this as the pause and unpause. See here, unpause it. Yeah, with this button. Yeah, you can just check on the mobile, just unpause. Yeah, yeah, pause it. Yeah, and volume up and volume down, you can say. And for call answering is also. Yeah, now operate Bluetooth. I'll check the call answering button. Yeah, this is decreasing the Bluetooth with volume adjustment. Okay, pause and unpause. Now I'll check the call accepting. See, as the call is getting received on this mobile, I'll just try to answer with this button. See here now. Yeah, now with this button I just answered the call, and you can use this earphones to just communicate with the other person. So if you do have any other questions, or if you want the feedback or the initial impressions of this Realme earbuds about the quality and everything, as I just checked the quality for a few seconds with the song what I have played, the bass is really good, the audio quality, vocals and everything are good, but I need to check it thoroughly, at least by using like 1 week. So if you want initial impressions video, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.